Hey gems, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome, and be sure to hit that like and bell notification button so that you are notified every single time that I post. So today I'm making another lip gloss video. If you haven't seen my DIY how to make blue lip gloss video, then go check that out. In that video you will see that I made a mistake making a blue lip gloss by adding a white pigment. I was trying to go for a clear type of blue lip gloss, but today I'm going to be experimenting making the red, like a red jelly lip gloss clear color, if I'm making any sense. And I got this from Get Suckered, and it came in this package right here. These are their classic color dyes, and it comes in red, blue, yellow, and green. And as you can see, this is safe for lip cosmetics, and these are other things that you can use them for. So yeah, we're gonna hop into a voiceover because my fans are on and I don't want to be talking too much in the video. What I also failed to mention in the other video when I was making the blue lip gloss is that those color dyes are really potent. They really stained my hands really bad. The blue one, when I tried to open it up, I did it without gloves because I was really struggling. And once I got it open, the top was broken and the dropper was inside of the bottle, so I had to reassemble the dropper bottle myself. So it's back assembled, but it wasn't working properly when I tried to use it. So I just sanitized my gloves, and we're gonna do a voiceover. So let's get started. So I'm using my base from Queen KM Cosmetics. I mentioned that I purchased this base from her in my last video because I'm testing out different brushing gels. And it is pre-mixed by myself. I use grapeseed oil and sweet almond oil. And this gloss base was pre-mixed because I was intentionally going to make my clear gloss, but then I changed my mind because I'm going to be getting new tubes, so I didn't want to restock my clear glosses in these tubes because everything in my old tubes and my old wand tubes, I'm going to actually put them on clearance. So make sure you guys follow me on Instagram and our business page on Facebook to be notified when they will be on the website and on clearance, because I do have to clean them and label them as well. And as you guys can see, the drops ended up like clumping together and it was really hard to mix together. So that's why I suggest, mixing them into your oil first and then pouring it in like I did in one of my other videos, because I think that would be much better. But like I said, I did pre-make this gloss for something else, and it took me a really long time to blend together. But overall, I really like these drops, and I will be repurchasing them in the future. A little goes a long way, and it is definitely a pigment, lip pigment or dye that you can make buildable to your liking. But I really wanted like a strawberry jam dark clear tinted red gloss if that's making any sense. And I use Wild Cherry by Get Suckered as well to hook up my gloss. I also added some peppermint essential oil to give it that tingling effect as well. And you guys, I really love this gloss. It shows up so well on my lips, and if you're of lighter skin, it's going to show even more because I have pigmented lips because I'm brown skin. So you can see it on my lips, but not as well as you'll see it on someone that's fair skin. But yeah, you guys, this is definitely a gloss that I think everyone will love, and I think I'm going to keep this as a staple in my business until, I don't know. So yeah. If you made it this far into the video, leave me a red heart emoji or your favorite red emoji. Also, leave me down any video suggestions of videos that you guys would like to see. I do have a list of videos coming out for you guys that I made that I think you guys may be interested in. But I'm just knocking down these videos, you guys. So make sure you subscribe so that you won't miss any of my new uploads. I'm going to be posting back to back, you guys. I've really been putting in work because I'm on the road to 1,000 subbies. And thank you all who are subscribed and have been watching, commenting, and liking my videos. It means a lot to me. But you guys, as you can see, these tubes right here, they will be on clearance because I just don't like wand tubes anymore. For my brand or any brand, I'd rather use a squeeze tube because it's just better to me. I don't know. Let me know if you like wand tubes or squeeze tubes, or if you don't care in the comments. But I think I'm over wand tubes, and I had these tubes since I started. I bought so many, and I'm finally finishing them up, so they will be on clearance. And here's a swatch of the gloss. It's very pigmented, and I'm going to show you guys how it look on my lips, and I'll also try to insert some pictures for you guys. But this is just one coat of the gloss right here, you guys, and you can see that it's really pigmented, and I'm obsessed with this gloss. I will be remaking the blue gloss like this as well, because this is what I was going for with the blue, and I added the white pigment. But thank you all for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. And thank you so much for the support, and thank you for watching. Bye.